Hello, all friends. We are one of biggest laser machine manufacturer local in China. Now, I am in our laser marking machine demonstration room. As you can see now, there are a lot of our various types of fiber laser mass line up here. If you are looking for any machine for engraving and marking to metal, gifts, jewelry, rings, copper, aluminum, plastic and various materials, we will be your best choice. If you have any requirements, welcome to subscribe to our videos. Now let us see how is the machine works. This is for marking to stainless steel sign sheet. Engraving speed is very fast. It is very clear and very good quality. Now let us see this customer. They are engraving metal boxes. It is easy to meet customer needs. Let us see more samples. Contact us if you have any requirements.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.